Hey there, sneakerheads and Nike fans. If you're holding a Nike gift card and itching to score some fresh kicks or gear in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple process of redeeming your gift card, step by step. Whether you're a tech-savvy shopper or new to online deals, this tutorial will have you shopping in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your gift card is ready to go. Start by checking the balance on your card. Head over to the official Nike website or open the Nike app. It's super user-friendly. Look for the Gift Cards section, usually found in your account dashboard or under the Help menu. Enter your gift card number and PIN if required, and voila, you'll see how much you've got to spend. This step is crucial to avoid any surprises at checkout. Next, log into your Nike account or create one if you don't have it yet. Don't worry, it's quick and free. Once you're in, browse through the awesome selection of products. Think the latest Air Jordans or stylish apparel. Add your desired items to your cart just like you would with any online shopping. Now, when you're ready to check out, proceed to the cart and look for the payment options. Here's where the magic happens. Enter your gift card code in the designated field. It's typically labeled as Redeem Gift Card or Apply Promo Code. Double check that you've typed it correctly to prevent any errors. If your gift card covers the full amount, you're good to go. If not, you can add another payment method like a credit card for the remaining balance. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like an invalid code, ensure your gift card hasn't expired and that you're using it in the correct region, as Nike might have location-specific restrictions in 2025. Also, keep an eye out for any promotional updates on the Nike site. And there you have it. Your Nike gift card is redeemed, and your order is on its way. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more shopping tips and deals. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy shopping!